Hey everyone, welcome to my review of the YETI Rambler 35-ounce mug. This one comes with the straw lid. We've been using this new YETI mug for the past week now, and this is my wife's favorite color. This is the seafoam version of the YETI Rambler. As you can see, it has a really nice grip, just a solid handle, easy to carry around, and one of my favorite parts about this is going to have to be the lid and the straw. This thing is held on so tightly, and that is due to this O-ring right here, which causes some suction, which just keeps the drinks colder longer. And another thing that I love is this straw here. This thing is hefty, it's heavy duty, and it just feels great to drink out of. This is our second one that we've bought in so far. I have another YETI mug, but we really do enjoy the 35-ounce size. As you can see, the bottom here is skinnier, so it's going to fit in most car cup holders, but the top is wider, allowing for that 35 ounces of drink. And honestly, our favorite way to use these YETI mugs is by filling them up with ice water. It holds so much water, 35 ounces of water, which can last us the entire day. Maybe we're out on the lake, we're camping. This thing's probably going to become our go-to for ice water. So overall, I do recommend the YETI Rambler 35 ounce. Thanks so much for watching this video review, and I hope that you have enjoyed it.